Let's make Sri Lankan dadal. Ingredients we need: coconut milk, rice flour, caramel sugar, cinnamon, cardamom. Grind the cinnamon cardamom with few rice flour, and we need roasted cashew nut and sesame seeds. Mix the sugar, rice flour with milk. Make sure there should be no lumps, and add pinch of salt and sugar syrup. You can use jaggery syrup too. Mix all together nicely. Preheat the pan and add some sugar. Let's keep caramelizing. It should be dark in color. Now it's time to add the milk mixture and keep mixing till this liquid turns thick. When it's turned thick, you can see the air bubbles are appearing, and now it's time to sprinkle some cashew nuts and the sesame seeds and cook for a while and transfer into a cake tray. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. Stay tuned. Thank you.